Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Myself Dr. Surbhisani. Hope you are doing great. This video is very important for all the NEET MDS aspirant. No matter you are the NEET MDS aspirant of this year, that is the 2023, or maybe you are watching this video in the upcoming year, whether it is 2024, 2025 and so on. If you are new on my channel, do subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. The importance of bell icon is that you can have the notification of my upcoming video. Now today's video is all about the mop-up round of NEET MDS counseling. Yes, what is the eligibility criteria? What is all about the mop-up round? Who are eligible to participate in that round? So don't forget to watch this video till the end and hit the like button to this video too. Begin with the what is mop-up round, or when it does come from, or when it does takes place in the counseling of NEET MDS. So the question with related to this is, will there is any other further round after the completion of the round 2 of All India Quota Counseling, that too in case of NEET MDS? There is yes. As per the modified schedule of All India Quota Counseling, that too in the SLA C number 10487 of 2021, before the Honorable Supreme Court of India, it has been directed by the Honorable Court for the conduction of 4 rounds of counseling. Hence, the 3rd round is the mop-up round and the 4th round is the stray vacancy round. That is for the All India Quota or the Central Institutes, Universities, Central Universities and the DNB. That will be conducted by All India Quota Counseling only, and that too by MCC. Second question is, what is the procedure for the mop-up round counseling and will be conducted by the DGHS? So the net vacant seats which are left due to the non-allotted, non-joining, non-reporting of the round 2 will be published in the seat matrix, and the eligible candidates have to submit the fresh choices and the result will be processed as per the choice and the merit for the mop-up round. I think this is the most important thing. What does the mop-up round consist of? Right? So the net vacant seats. The most important question is, who all are eligible for the mop-up round of counseling? So the following candidates are eligible for the mop-up round of counseling. First, those candidates who are registering in the counseling for the first time, those candidates are eligible. The second criteria is candidates who have registered but they have not been allotted to a seat, that too in round 1 and round 2 counseling. Right? Now the third criteria is all those candidates except those who are holding the seat in the round 1 and round 2 of the state counseling, which is conducted by MCC or the DGHS, right, as per the data shared by the states. And the fourth criteria of the candidates, those candidates who exit with the forfeiture but with the fresh payment of fees. All these are the eligibility criteria of the candidate for the mop-up round of NEET MDS counseling. Followed by who will not be, that means not, who will not be eligible for the mop-up round of counseling. Candidates who have joined the seats in round 1 and round 2 and in the state quota seats as per the data shared by the states. All those candidates are not eligible for the mop-up round. So those who are the back rankers in the NEET MDS 2023 counseling, please, this video is very important for you. And the most important question is, where is the schedule for the counseling and for the admission, that too for NEET MDS 2023 counseling. You need to keep the eye on the official website of MCC, that is www.mcc.nic.in. That's all about the important info regarding the mop-up round, the main criteria, when it occur, how it occur, what is the eligibility criteria. So this is the most important video for everyone. No matter you are watching this video in 2023 or 2024 and so on. Moreover, there is the WhatsApp group available for the NEET MDS 2023 counseling group, and definitely I have already told you the benefits. If you haven't checked out this video, then please do check out this video. This video consists of the benefits of the WhatsApp group of NEET MDS 2023 counseling. It's a fastest mode of the information sharing and the notices, followed by the personal guidance is there. But still, it is just a guidance, not the confirmation sheet from my side, because it is just a government portal thing, right? It's between you and the government procedure. I am nothing. I am no one. I am just the guidance to you. So, for that, you can DM me on my Instagram ID, which is shown on your screen, and you can follow me on my Instagram ID, which is shown on your screen, as a sweet gesture. And you can ask for the link. Definitely, there is the registration for this group, so don't forget to register yourself. Followed by that, there is another separate WhatsApp group for the dental jobs. For that also, you can drop me the mail which is shown on your screen, or even you can DM me on my Instagram ID which is shown on your screen. Thank you for watching.